Hey, good morning. Welcome to another episode of my 2002 Sunnybrook travel trailer makeover. All right, gang. So I don't know if you guys can see a little bit behind me. Excuse me. I went and got paint so I can start painting the outside of the travel trailer. I did some test areas last night. I just wanted to see if I was going to roll it or if I was going to use my paint sprayer. From what I see this morning, I'm going to be able to go ahead and roll the trailer. I'll roll it and brush it. It's looking pretty good. I'll get you guys a close up here. But let me show you what paint I'm using. So what we're using for this product today is a Rust-Oleum oil-based paint. I did a lot of research and they said that this paint was the best to use for this type of project. So let me show you the test areas that I did and you let me know what you think. So far, the only thing that I've done is the back. Started the back and then I started going down this side. So it's early in the morning. You can kind of see a little bit of dew on it, and that's because it's cold. Well, it's cool, not cold. Wish it was a little bit colder, but it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm really pleased with what it's going to look like. So we're going to move forward with getting this rolled out today and getting it painted. So that's what we're going to get into. We're going to get this painted. The paint scheme for the trailer, not doing nothing super elaborate. What I'm going to do is paint it white, and where the old stripe was, I'm going to paint that black. That way, white and black kind of matches my truck, and it's two simple colors to put together. Okay, let's get to work. All right, so I got one side done, all except the stripe, but it's looking good, man. I'm pretty stoked about this. Check it out. So that's how she's looking. All right, and then got all trimmed up around the windows. That one right there, I'm going to end up taking that off and painting that black. But the Rust-Oleum paint putting it on with a roller, it's pretty good. Now I know when you guys saw me painting, you're like, why didn't he cover up those lights and get paints on those lights? I actually got new ones. Those are cracked. A lot of these are cracked. So I got new ones that I'm going to replace, but she's looking good. Now around the windows, I'll be resealing. So that'll be a little bit cleaner. That's why I wasn't worried about that. I'll be resealing around that. And the caulking is white. But if you look down the side, I have to say, I'm very pleased with how it's coming out. Okay, the only thing I have left is the front and the other side, and then painting will be done. All right, back to work I go. All right, man, I just wanted to check in, give a little update. So got the white completed, went back and did the touch up. So, and then now I'm starting on doing the pinstripe, the black pinstripe. But let me give you another update. Let's go do a little walk around. The white really turned out really good. She's looking good, especially for a trailer that was hand painted. So that's how she's looking. I had to take that front off. I'm gonna paint. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna do something pretty funky, but get it going. So and then on this side with the doors, got the doors painted. Like I said, she's coming along, man. So now I'll show you what I'm starting to work on, and that's the black stripe. So that stripe, I'm gonna carry it all the way around. But once I finish it, I'm not gonna leave it black. What I'm gonna do is get some pinstripe tape, and then I'm gonna go into the grooves, and maybe these two bigger ones right here, and run a different color in there to kind of split that black up. I don't know what to do. I don't know what color I'm gonna get. My wife said it's maybe like a silver. That might be pretty cool, but we'll see. But so that's where we at, or I should say that's where I'm at. I'm hoping that I can get the stripe done. That would be the goal for today. It's about 3:30, so I got about 3 hours left, and it's not too bad. The paint that I'm using, it's another Rust-Oleum, but it's acting kind of wonky. So we'll see how far we get. Hopefully I can get it done, but if not, I'll finish that little bit up tomorrow. But all right, back to work I go. Okay, it's the next day, and I've been plugging away at this thing, man. I got the paint all done. Outside is done. So I'm going to show you. You guys let me know what you think. All right, gang. So that's going to do it for this episode of the Golden Spear Homestead. Uh, Thank you so much for watching my video. If you could hit the subscription, give us a thumbs up. And if you want, hit that notification so you know when my next video will be uploaded. All right, the next thing that's coming up will probably be the roof. I really pushed hard to get to this point so that I can take a break probably for the next month or so. Again, I got to get back up to the property and start that project, start getting that shed project going. But I wanted to get this done. So once I get the membrane, that'll be the next thing on this. Okay, till the next time, man, you guys be blessed. Peace.